So let's see together how to express your wishes to someone. So obviously, I mean, it's possible to wish a lot of things, so it's a small extract and we'll have only few examples here. So let's start with this one. Have a nice trip. Bon voyage. Bon voyage. Bon voyage. Have a good day. Bonne journée. Bonne journée. Bonne journée. So just to remember, previously we had bon voyage, so you can see that I was writing it B-O-N, just because it's an adjective and it means that it's connected to voyage. Voyage is masculine, so it means that the adjective must be masculine. B-O-N, bon bon bon, nasal. This one here, journée, it's feminine. So in that case, it means that our adjective, bon, should be in the feminine form, and it's double N, bonne, bonne. So that's the reason why we've got this different form here. Bonne journée. Same thing here. Good night. Bonne soirée. Bonne soirée. It's always tricky to do a soirée. It can be night, it can be evening. Have a nice evening. Bonne soirée, good night, bonne soirée. So it's really up to you, because good night could be also bonne nuit when somebody is going to sleep. So this one, it's really to enjoy your evening. We're talking about the evening that these persons will spend. Good movie. Enjoy your movie. Bon film. Bon film. Bon film. So same thing here. Be brave. Bon courage. Bon courage. Bon courage. Can you imagine that in this case, it's if there is a lot of work to do and you have to leave the person in the middle of this process, you just want to support this person and you will say, be brave. Bon courage. Good vacation. Bonnes vacances. Bonnes vacances. Bonnes vacances. And here you can see, when you look at bonne, this adjective, what can you see? You can see that it's the feminine, clearly, and you also see that it's the plural. In French, this vacation concept is vacances in the plural form, okay? So it's feminine, plural, bonnes vacances. And the last one, have a good stay. Bon séjour. Bon séjour. Bon séjour. So if you want more things like that, I've been making many phrases, so you can go there. You will have everything you need here. Here it was just, as we call an appetizer, just something to snack on. Merci beaucoup.